Hello everyone. I'm Shalini Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at GEMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. Today we are going to discuss about the We are going to discuss about the functional features of Tally and its technical advantage in our Tally ERP9. So before performing the before recording any transaction or performing any accounting records, we need to understand the functional features of Tally ERP9. Let's begin. So the functional features of Tally ERP9, if we talk about, then we need to see what are the basic accounting features and what are the basic inventories. What type of functionality we need to perform in Tally ERP9. So basic accounting, if we talk about, basic accounting, it is a complete bookkeeping, and in case of inventory, it just stores the information related to stock categories. In case of accounting, it records the books, registers, and statement of accounts. And in case of inventory, it is a stock query by stock group or stock category. Journal ledgers. In accounting, we maintain journal ledgers, and in inventory, we prepare multiple go downs. That is from where we are storing these inventories. Account receivables and account payables are maintained in accounting. In case of inventory, stock transfer to godowns and branches, this information is stored. Then functional voucher numbering. In case of accounting, flexible voucher numbering, we need to maintain a record of voucher numbers, and in case of inventory, we maintain multiple stock valuation methods, how the valuation of inventory is being done. Then in accounting, flexible classification of accounts head is done, and in inventory, batch wise, lot wise, including expiry, data handling, all these informations are stored in inventory. Paranomic view. There is a paranomic view in accounting, and in case of inventory, alternate units of measures and tail units are mentioned. In accounting, only a particular standard of currency is maintained, while in inventory, we need to maintain the units of measure and the smallest range of units. Drill down display in accounting, and in case of inventory, tracking through receipt notes, delivery notes, rejection words, rejection outwards, so all such type of receipts are being maintained in inventory. Database reporting in accounting, and in case of inventory, additional cost is incurred on the purchase. In case of accounting, voucher and check printing is done, while is in inventory, movement, profitability analysis, party-wise, item-wise, stock-wise, group-wise, all these things are maintained, and we can have this report being printed in inventory also. Then we have a columnar reports. We can have the print of column reports. We can maintain reports in columns also, whereas in inventory, customizable sales invoice using price list with multiple prices are being maintained. Then there is a bank reconciliation statement maintained in accounting, while in case of inventory, sales, purchase, and order processing books are being maintained. Now let's see the technical advantage of this Tally ERP9. It is simple and rapid installation. Tally ERP9 has a simple menu-driven installation procedure. The user can install the program files on any drive if the hard disk has partitions. The user can also specify the name and directory location to the program files. Tally ERP9 uses minimum hard disk space in the local drive. Its installation on the local disk takes just a few seconds. So installation is very simple and it is very rapid. Then unlimited multi-user support, as I discussed, that it has a platform has a multidisciplinarity. Multi-user version of Tally ERP9 can be installed on a network having any number of computers with different operating systems such as Windows 95, 98, NT 2000, XP, Linux, etc. Internal backup and restore. Tally ERP9 has an inbuilt user-friendly backup and restore option. It helps the user to take a backup of one or more companies or all companies in a single directory and in a local hard disk and in any external media. So it has a facility of saving its data internally. It has this inbuilt facility in Tally ERP9. Then data reliability. Tally ERP9 offers reliable data. It uses a flexi field FlexiLength self-indexed weighted file structure for an extremely compact and fast database. Tally ERP9 is robust, and even if there is a power failure or the computer is incorrectly shut down, the data is not lost. As I told you, we have an auto backup option. So Tally ERP9 uses the signaling quality data integrity checks at regular intervals to ensure the complete reliability of the data. So we can have a complete reliability. Data reliability is available in the Tally ERP9. User-defined security levels. Tally ERP9 offers high level of security. Users can define multiple levels of security according to their requirements. Every authorized user in the company can have an individual password with rights to use specific features only. And the user with the administrator level password will have the full access, and it can control for the other users. It can set a control for other users also. Data security. Tally ERP9's data integrity checks ensure that there are no external changes to the data. Tally ERP9 also uses a binary encoding format of storage to prevent devious grouping of information. So there is a lot of data security check on this Tally ERP9. Nobody uh, uh, can grab the data or cheat upon and take the data. So there is a data security available in Tally ERP9 through binary encoding. Then Tally Audit. The Tally ERP9 audit feature provides the user with the administrator rights and the capability to check the entries made by the authorized users and alter these entries if necessary. Once the entries are audited, the Tally ERP9 displays the altered entries, if any, along with the name of the user who has altered the entry and the date and the time of the alteration. So Tally has an audit facility. Then comes Tally Vault. Tally ERP9 offers a data encryption option called Tally Vault. So it is saved as like we have a vault in our house, safe. In the same way, Tally ERP also has a safe where we can save our data. Without the valid Tally Vault password, the data cannot be accessed. So nobody can easily track the data unless until he has a proper Tally Vault password. The Tally ERP9, it follows the data encryption standard, that is the encryption method to safeguard the data. So next is your removal of data into a separate company. Tally ERP9 allows users to maintain a company for any number of financial years. Once the books of account have been completed for the earlier financial year, the user can split the company data into multiple companies as per the financial periods required. Tally ERP9 also has a feature to split company data. The user can specify the date from which the company has to be split, and Tally ERP9 will split the company to form two companies as per periods specified. So once the data has been split, the closing balance of the first period, that is first company, becomes the opening balance of the next period, that is the second company. Multi-directory for company management. The user can create multiple directories to store the data. The data stored in these directories can be accessed directly in Tally ERP9 by specifying the path. Import and export of data. Tally ERP9 has a very important feature of exporting and importing of the data. Any transaction can be exported and imported to any other software after suitably altering the current structures to accept the Tally ERP9 data structure. Data can also be imported to Tally ERP9 by writing a TDL program. The data which is to be exported from Tally ERP9 can be in XML, HTML, or ASCII format. So it has a good feature of importing and exporting of the data. Tally ERP9 synchronization. It is a process of exchanging Tally ERP9 data between two or more locations. This process enables a branch office to send its data to the head office over the internet or a private network. So there is a synchronization of data. We can sync Tally ERP9 data from anywhere to any place. Graphical analysis of the data. Tally ERP9 provides a graphical analysis of data. It also helps the user to perform a deeper analysis. User can generate graphical analysis reports such as sales register, purchase register, ledgers, fund flows, cash flow, stock item registers, and so on. So this helps the management to quickly judge the performance and be better prepared for the difficult times. Then open Database connectivity compliance. It allows other programs to use data from Tally ERP9 directly. Thus, any program such as MS Excel or Oracle, which is open database connectivity compliant, can use the data from Tally ERP9, and data connectivity is dynamic, which means that any update in Tally ERP9 is reflected in the real time in other open database connectivity compliant software. The user can also extract data from Tally ERP9 and design his or her own report formats in other open database connectivity compliance software. Protocol support. Tally ERP9 provides protocol support for HTTP, HTTPs, FTP, SMTP, ODBC, and RAW sockets with data interchange formats such as XML, HTML, and XML islands, SOAP, and related formats. Protocol refers to a mechanism by which the information, that is data, can be put into or taken from Tally ERP9. Formats refers to the standard for information to be generated from Tally ERP9 or from other applications which can be exchanged, which can exchange data with Tally ERP9. Then direct web browser access. While working on Tally ERP9, the user can directly log on to the Tally website, provided he or she has access to the Tally internet. The website lists details of all the facilities offered by the Tally ERP9. User can also download the latest release of ERP9 as and when it is available. The Tally website also offers Tally chat by which a user can communicate with a Tally representative and get the required information. Ability to preview and publish reports and documents on the internet. Companies which want to publish their reports and price lists on their website can do so directly from Tally ERP9. Email facility. Tally ERP9 facilitates mailing of any Tally ERP report or document. Multilingual capability. Tally is the world's first accounting inventory software with multilingual capability. Currently, Tally ERP9's multilingual capability extends to 12 languages, which includes 9 Indian languages: Hindi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Tamil, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, and Bengali. Bhasha Malay and Bhasha Indonesia, that is Tally ERP9, enables you to enter data in one language and have it transliterated into different languages. You can give invoices, purchase orders, or delivery notes in the language of your choice after entering data for the same in any of the 9 specified languages. Also, the phonetic keyword allows you to spell the term phonetically based on how it sounds, and Tally ERP9 displays the data in the language selected after the transliteration. Then comes point of the sale. It is an acronym for point of sale. Point of sale can be a retail outlet, a checkout counter in a shop, or any other location where a sales transaction takes place. It is a computerized cash register which adds up the sales totals, calculates the balance to be returned to the buyer, and automatically adjusts the inventory level to reflect the quantity sold. The equipment required for point of sale to work effectively are cash registers, cash readers, barcode scanners, and so on. So that's all for now. These were the functional features of accounting inventory and the technical advantage of using this Tally ERP9. So that's all for now in this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.